Sometimes you have to add measurements that are given in feet and inches. And that's a little tricky because remember, you're dealing with two different units, feet and inches, even though they're related. So for example, if you're welding two pieces of steel, you could add the measurement of each piece to find the total length. So let's say you have one piece of steel that's 1 foot 3 inches and another one that is 1 foot 8 inches. So we're going to start by adding the inches. There are 11 inches, and then we'll add the feet. 2 foot 11. Now that's fine as long as there are fewer than 12 inches. If the inches have more than 12, then you have to make an improper fraction and convert them to feet and inches. So here's what I mean. You have two pieces of steel that you're welding together. One is 2 feet 5 inches, and the other one is 1 foot 8 inches. So we're going to start by adding the inches. 5 and 8 is 13. But 13 is more than a foot. Okay, it's more than 12 inches. So we need to convert that to feet and inches. So 13 over 12, we know 12 will go into 13 once, with 1 left over. Okay, so we're going to regroup and move this 1 foot up here. You could do this after too, I just do it before. And we have 1 inch left. And that's from that 1/12. So it's 13 inches is 1 foot 1 inch. Now we're going to add the inches. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1 is 4. So it's 4 feet 1 inch. Now if the inches contain fractions, then you're going to add the fractions of an inch first and regroup if necessary. So you might end up regrouping several times. So let's say we're adding 3 feet 2 and 5/8 inches plus 4 feet 3 and 1/2 inches. So the first thing we're going to do is add the fractions of an inch. But before we can do that, as you know, we have to find a common denominator. So we'll check the biggest one is 8. Does 2 divide evenly into 8? Yes, it does. So we'll use 8 as a common denominator. So this one, the top one's going to stay the same. And the bottom one, we're going to multiply 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, so we're actually adding 5/8 plus 4/8. And that's going to give us 9/8. Oh my, which is an improper fraction. So let's convert that to a mixed number. And 8 goes into 9 once, with 1/8 left. Okay, so we're going to regroup and carry this 1 inch up here. So we've got 1/8, and the 1 inch is now up here. So we'll get rid of that. And 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. So we've got 6 and 1/8 inches. And then 3 feet plus 4 feet equals 7 feet. So the answer is 7 feet, 6 and 1/8 inches.